Just burned everything. Everything burned down to the ground. Homes burned, poles burned, wires burned. It's really, overwhelming. All you see is the devastation.
The fire started on September 10th. From that moment, our trouble crews assisted firefighting efforts and de-energizing lines and clearing wire where they requested. At that point, really, we were actually put on hold until the fire agencies would allow us in.
We come out once it's safe and start restoring all the poles and lines.
SCE crews are working to replace the 105 poles that were damaged in the airport fire. This is a brand new pole wrapped in fire material. It turns puffy when activated by flames. And this, to my right, is all that's left of the old pole.
Get the pole on the truck, bring it out here, frame the pole complete with whatever's going to be on it, and then set it with the truck. And after we get all that done, we'll go and patrol everything, make sure everything's done, and re-energize it. Feels good once you're done to complete it and give the power back to the people.